5.5 weeks at sea is kind of tested me. It's tested us.
Do you imagine like this all day, all night?
What do you see, darling?
I see a shark. He's circling around the equator. Woo!
Woo! Woo!
We've been spending this day apart.
What's going on up there, baby?
Sunset action. We're still happy. We're still alive. And we still love each other. Do we?
Yes.
Yes? Just checking. Okay.
What do you see, baby?
I can see that.
We have 2,500 nautical miles to go. That's still well over an Atlantic crossing. And wait, 14 days in?
17.
We're 17 days in.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Wow.
I've been asking Kieran since I think day one where all the dolphins are, and now we just saw dolphins and pilot whales together. I'm so happy, and they're moving so quick. Hey,
We're doing 6 knots and they're easily keeping up with us.
good day. Day, what is it? 18? 19?
It's the first today.
I don't know. On the ocean.
Those are the first pilot whales we've seen moving quickly. We've seen them before, but they're normally quite docile, quite slow. But they were huge and they were really keeping up with the dolphins as well.
And they're swimming together.
Yeah, yeah. Unreal. Okay, so we have been at sea for, Isabel's about to tell me, I kind of lose track of all the days, but right now we are about to cross the equator. 20 days at sea. We are almost at 3 weeks at sea, and wow, it's been a bit of a long journey so far. I'm just looking at the sat phone now, and we are approaching 0.0000 north.
Also known as the equator. Woo!
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 We are very, very stoked. The equator, hey?
The equator. This will be the first time we cross it, I just realised.
Yeah.
Had no idea.
That's why it's a big deal.
Well, there it is! Equator action!
Woo!
0.00000 north. We're in the middle of the planet, baby!
Woo!
Yeah! I'm not speaking English. This is sailing vessel Merewether. Do you speak English? Over. Viking Drive. They look to be a car mover. And they are 538 foot long.
Wow.
They're 4 miles off, if they can't hear us.
I think there's something wrong with our radio.
It worked. It worked in Galapagos. I just think we don't have much range. Viking Drive, Viking Drive. This is sailing vessel Merewether. Do you have a read? Over.
Good afternoon. It is day 23, I'm pretty sure. And we are going about 5-6 knots. We're feeling very good. I can sleep still shows itself. But yeah, we're used to not sleeping 8 hours anymore. We're used to just sleeping 2, 3, 4 a night. So yeah, we're still in good spirit. A little bit bored. I thought I'd show you my afternoon activity today. It is doing the laundry in salt water. Very exciting stuff. I know you clicked on this video just to see someone do the laundry, hey? But yeah, anyway, that's what's going on for me this afternoon.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Today, I think it's day number 20 something. Isabel! What number day is this at sea? 24. Day number 24 at sea today. It's been a bit of a interesting sail so far. We've been having all these lulls left, right and centre. And today was meant to be one of those lulls. We're meant to have a maximum of like 10 knots. We've taken advantage of it because we've put up the spinnaker and wow, it is just absolutely beautiful. We've been going 5 and 6 knots for the last 3-4 hours. I've finally figured out how to fly a spinnaker and exactly how to make the most out of it. So it's really nice to see. Words can't describe how this makes me feel. It's unreal. Have a look at this. What's going on up there, baby?
Sunset action.
Hey! Woo-wee. Somebody got sunburned today. Whoops.
Oh, baby. This one has been killing it. Hand steering the whole day almost. Hey?
Yeah, we put up the spinnaker about 8 and just took it down this afternoon. But we're going quite well with the jib out. Can't complain.
Yeah.
And then we should get a lot of wind tonight, which is very nice. How was your day?
My day was quite good. I've been sewing.
Yeah.
some cushions. Yeah, so I've been sewing almost all day. We've been spending this day apart. Well, when I say apart, I mean like 2 or 3 meters. But yeah, it's been good. It's been sunny and very, very grateful that you steered us. Spinnaker was working its wonders.
More than happy to, baby.
You had a good day?
Yes, very good. Yes. It is bucketing down. Okay, so it's hard to see, but we're actually got 20 knots of wind hitting us from behind, and the hydro vane is working on its own. I have no autopilot on, and it is killing it. So there you can see 19, 19.6, 18, 16, 18. So it's probably around 25 or 26 true wind. So this is definitely some strong stuff. That was 23. Just handling it. Butter breeze, baby. Butter breeze. Haha. What do you see, darling?
Oh, some shark! He's circling around. Hopefully now we'll fall in the water.
You had good vision to see that. I was like, nah, it can't be.
It was not a dolphin.
No, it's definitely a fin just cruising along the top of the surface, wasn't it?
Oh, we lost him. What was it, like 2 meters?
Sorry?
It was like 2 meters?
Yeah, at least. Good morning, guys. This morning is, I think it's about day 28 or day 29. I forget which one. But I had a great night's sleep last night, so I'm feeling quite fresh to do a vlog for you guys this morning and really tackle today hard. We have done around 3,000 miles so far, and we've got 1,100 to go. So far, Isabel and I have been going absolutely amazing. We've had a few nights where we've had waves and that's disrupted our sleep a fair bit, but most of the time, probably 70-80% of the time, we're getting good sleeps. We're doing our 3-hour shifts each, and those are working to a T. It's all just killing time at the moment. We're reading books, we're watching movies, we're setting sails. We flew the Spinnaker the other day, that was a good time. The winds are quite consistent. We haven't really faced anything over 25 knots. Usually hang around 14, 15, which is quite nice. We can leave most of the sail up and the waves are pleasant. So yeah, it's all good this morning. We have run out of fresh food, so we've been cooking mostly canned meals. They're good at first, but they get pretty boring after, I think we're on canned meals for the last week or so, and Isabel and I are going a little bit crazy. But the kitchen's a bit of a mess. I'm going to clear it up right now. And Isabel's just still asleep, so hopefully I don't wake her up. What are you doing with that peg, darling?
I'm trying to rescue the flying fish.
What do you mean rescue flying fish?
Well, during the nighttime they jump up on the boat and yeah, thinks they can swim here. So I rescue them in the morning.
I see.
Yep.
We'll have to get some on film then, shan't we?
And I just woke up. Thank you very much.
Oh, you like being filmed when you just woke up? No?
Good morning, everyone. It is day 29 at sea and it is raining. It is blowing 30-33 knots and yeah, we just hit by a squall. I'm downstairs just making sure everything is okay and Kieran is up there at the helm. Let's check in on him, shall we? We've experienced this as we get closer to French Pole and Nukuhiva. We have gotten these squalls, 2, 3, 4 a day. Yesterday we got one in the nighttime, which is quite unexpected. But yeah, we're handling it pretty well. We've learned how much sail to have out when the squall actually hits. And yeah, I just had to wake up Kieran from his nap. So we're both awake and alert for when the squall hits.
So, Miss Isabel Nee, how are you travelling?
Well, I'm traveling very good. I have a new
You have a new hairstyle.
hairstyle. It's with all the it's what all the hip sailors wear these days, you know?
What are you dubbing the look?
What am I dubbing it?
Yeah.
What I'm naming it?
Naming it.
Cocoa hair bun.
Cocoa hair bun.
Thinking
I like it.
It's
You said that with such confidence. Like cocoa hair bun.
yeah, thank you. So it's very good for you, obviously, in all sorts of ways. That's obvious.
Sorry, so let me just try a different style. That's better. That's much better. This is perfect. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today is hopefully, fingers crossed, our second last day on the ocean.
Woo!
Woo!
How exciting!
I can just hear it in your voice as well. You are like beaming.
I am actually thinking of maybe we should just head back.
Head back.
Yeah, I mean it's day 38. 38, yes, you heard that correctly. And we're just having so much fun. Maybe we should just head back and just do it all over again.
Tell you what, you can start swimming back. I think,
Swimming?
Yeah, you can head back. You just swim back, and I'll go to French Pole.
What about the shark?
What shark?
We saw a shark.
Oh, we did see a shark, didn't we?
Philip
Philip.
the shark.
I don't remember you naming it Philip.
Oh, I just did.
Where was my invitation to name him? This is a 50-50.
No.
Oh, wait.
No,
When we
I
have
just
kids,
I saw him first, so therefore I named him.
Oh, I see. Okay, so our sail has been it's it's got a bit, the morale's gone down a bit. So we went from 2,000 miles out where we were sailing at a broad reach and we were quite comfortable, the boat was quite stable and balanced. And about 700 miles out from Nukuhiva, the wind has come directly behind us, and all of a sudden we're no longer sailing at 120 degrees to the wind, we're actually sailing at like 160, or right now we're sailing basically dead downwind at 180 degrees. So when you sail so far downwind, the boat starts to do these ones, especially our boat.
Yep.
Just doesn't have a mizzen. We have no real way to control the back end from just going side to side.
So the daily life gets a bit more tricky, and yeah, we didn't pick up the camera at all. Basically been watching a lot of movies and
not much has been happening, guys.
no,
basically
eating a lot of canned food.
just killing time.
Yeah.
Killing a lot of time.
Yeah.
5.5 weeks at sea is kind of, it's tested me. It's tested us. It will be most likely the longest sail of our lives, but yeah, I don't want to do it again tomorrow.
I think our morale and our state of mind was really good up until 2 weeks ago. I feel we both said that this has been a really good crossing and so much better than the Atlantic crossing in so many ways. But then the wind shift. Yeah.
And we just started rocking around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're still happy. We're still alive. And we still love each other. Do we?
Yes.
Yes. Just checking. Okay. About 1 o'clock right now, and I am seeing land for the first time in 2-3 weeks. Ooh. And still some waves around. We have the engine on right now because the last 2 days the wind has been dying slowly but surely, and just an hour ago Kieran turned on the engine. It's not ideal, but I think all in all we've had the engine on for maybe 8-10 hours in all this trip, and I think that's pretty good. We did motor in Galapagos and we did motor in the beginning when we didn't have any wind at all, when we zigzagged towards Ecuador. Now just the last hours. I can't believe it. I was sitting downstairs and Kieran went up and then he just stick his head down and he's like, guess what? Guess what? And I'm like, what? Like, I can see land. It's a great feeling. It's really hard to explain. After 39 days, it feels unreal. It feels like it's too good to be true. We're actually getting there. Hopefully before dark. And yeah, I could not be happier right now. I'm very sick of this. I'm trying to hold the camera quite steady, but do you imagine like this all day, all night? No, all in all, it's been a good trip. I'm very happy that we did it. I'm very proud of us. This will, without a doubt, be the longest sail that either of us will ever do. Ever, hopefully. We both said that if we're gonna do this again, we're gonna do it on a multi-hull because all this rocking, yeah, it's just not ideal. But the moods are good, the spirits are high, and I cannot wait to see Nukuhiva and French Polynesia.
What do you see, baby?
I can see land!
Where? Show me.
Right there!
Happy chappy?
Oh, so happy. Unreal. You're gonna put down the hook there.
Looking forward to it?
Oh, so much so. And just standing on firm ground, oh, smell of green and, I don't know, dirt. Eat an orange.
If we can find one.
We haven't had fresh fruit in 2 weeks? 3? 3, I think. So yeah, really looking forward to that.
Yeah.